Assalamualaikum, grade 7. Hopefully, you will be fine, safe, and sound at home. Please take care of yourself. As you know, my class, I have shared with you that three paragraphs we have done in unit number 1, and hopefully, that you have done word sentences related to these paragraphs and you have underlined the important words in each paragraph. After my dear class, as you know, I said that I will share with you short questions from these paragraphs. So let's have a look that which questions I have planned for you, and you will write the answers of those questions on your notebook. Please note down. All right, class, the short questions from reading. The first question is who was new? Second question is where new was going? Third question is where he decided to live. Fourth question is how was the weather? Fifth question is what he was feeling. Next, sixth question, what was the condition of the poor person? And the last question is how new behaved with the poor. These are the questions from three paragraphs. You have to find out the answers from reading and make sure to write on notebook with neat and clean writing. After writing the question answers on your notebook, you have to do next reading paragraph number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, and you have to underline the difficult words, and I want that I clear each and everything. So let's start. The landlord brought news supper. So the person who took order from new side, he bring the supper, the evening meal, and the steam from which tickled the nostrils with a delicious smell. Then he turned to the ragged newcomer and asked what he could do for him. So he wanted to take the order from the poor person. And what the poor person said, a bowl of tea and a place on the floor for the night, said the man. And the landlord granted and went off to fetch the tea. So he ordered a tea and he only wanted a place to sleep. New was filled with pity for this poor stranger. He pressed on him his own supper, and when the landlord came back, or he ordered more for himself. So he shared his all food with the poor person. The stranger wolfed down the soup and dumpling in no time at all, and New ordered noodles to follow. As this paragraph is telling us that the poor person was very hungry, and when New gave him his food, he quickly ate all food. I have no money to pay for them, said the man, but New insisted that he should accept them, and in no time 5 bowls of noodles and disappeared in a way the soup had. So he ate 5 bowls. He said to New that I have no money to give you, but New insisted that all right, you eat only. When they retired to rest, New tried to give up his own bed for the stranger to sleep on, but the man would not accept it. He lay down on the floor at the foot of the bed and slept immediately. Immediately mean at once. As if to prove his satisfaction with the supper he had eaten, he snored like a bull all through the night. So this is the situation that when New shared his food with the person, and what was the reaction of the poor person, and how he pretend, how he ate, and at night how he slept with New. So this is the next situation. So today what you have to do, you have to do reading paragraph 4, 5, 6 and 7, and you have to underline the difficult words and make 10 sentences from these 4 paragraphs. And tomorrow inshallah I will share with you the short questions from these paragraphs. Till then, Allah Hafiz to all of you.